Hey guys, so it's Stock Lock Sunday here today. Thought we'd try to pick a lock. I haven't done this one on camera before. I picked it a couple of times. It's a first watch. Let's see, there's the key. It's a 6-pinner. Kind of curious to see what we got inside of here too. I'll go with Mad Bob's on the top here and a pick that I made. As long as it fits, we'll see. We gotta start off with some medium tension here. Alright, got a little turn on the core there already. It's kind of squishy, if that makes any sense. Oh, could drop something. Maybe not. We're going for some spools here, it seems like. I can feel them. Alright, I think it's in the front here. I'm just going to reset it. I don't know why it's not wanting to focus. Okay, that was 2. I can get under the pin here. Pin 1. Well, it's kind of hard to feel which one is actually binding in this. Like I said, it's just kind of squishy. Alright, that was pin 5 or 6 back there. And I hit the pin in front of it. Alright, good deep fall set here. Just gotta find that spool. Just checking to make sure we're not open here. All set back. Just gotta find that freaking spool. Where are you at, buddy? Pin 2 here. get her? No. One last reset and then if I'll set right away, there's probably multiple spools that we gotta set then. There's one of them. Okay, should only have a couple more to go, if any. Should be close here. Another one. Something in the front here. And yeah, there we go. Yeah, it ended up being a little trickier than I thought it was going to be. But that's what happens sometimes. Let's see. Okay. Glad it's just a Phillips. Hopefully it comes out. And they're kind of tight. Go with a bigger screwdriver here. There we go. Those short ones just don't give you the leverage you need sometimes. Okay. Good, we got a clip on the back there. It's a little greasy inside. Yeah, I think when these came out, they were like $2.50 a piece. Then I think they started flying through them so quick, they put the price tag back up. I can't remember. Probably one of the bigger channels, I think, that... Yeah, we locked it back up, but that's okay. One of the bigger channels that had these picked, and then they became very popular very fast. I should have bought like 10 of them when I had the chance. I think I got 3 of them. I kept one and gave the other 2 away. I gave one to Bear's Back, and I can't remember who I gave the other one to, but either way. There's my little plug follower here. Alright. Ooh. Not little enough. I don't know where the little one went. Let's see. Yeah, that's not small enough. Guess I'll get out the HPC plug followers here. That's the only one I can find. It's kind of a mess on my desk here. Oh yeah, that'll fit nicely. And we've got serrated key pins here. Chamber 1 is serrated, 2 is serrated, 3 is short, standard. 4, I can't tell. 5 is serrated, and 6 is serrated. And let's see, I don't have my magic marker. nice to have something to mark this with. I don't think a pen will work. Eh. Good enough. Okay. One is a standard steel pin. 2 is a spool. 3 is a spool. 6 is a spool. Yeah, felt a lot of spools in there. 5 is a spool. And 4 is also a spool. That explains it. Yeah, because we got that first pin set. It's kind of like an ABIS in this one. Chamber 1, yeah, pretty fairly balanced there too. Chamber 1, standard, and all the rest are spools and serrated key pins. Not a bad little lock. So that's what we got here for Stock Lock Sunday today. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will talk to you next time.